Hey tubers, we got a 2019 Mercedes after crash, not cranking, confirming that it's not cranking. No, so what we're doing here is this: we go into the engine, go into functional engine codes. I clear the code. Okay, there's one left, outside temperature, doesn't matter. So we go in functional tests, special functions. And there's a function called enabling of engine after crash event. So that's what we want. Ignition on, inhibit, okay, go ahead. Okay, go. And done, test running. And it says timeout has occurred, start this actual one. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if it starts now. Okay, I'll let it stay whatever it needs to be. 25 seconds. I guess ignition off. And I'm gonna try to start it now. There you go, and it starts. Okay, so just like I said, engine, ECM, functional tests. The function is enabling of engine start after crash. It lives in functional tests of the engine computer. All right, keep that in mind. Subscribe to my channel, please, and tell your friends. Thank you.